Hello everyone, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to use Foxit Phantom PDF editor. So basically what you're gonna have to do is simply go to their official website and then you're gonna have to click on start free trial. Now here, as you can see, you have different options. So you have this one here, the PDF editor plus, which allows you to use the desktop, web and mobile version of this PDF, or if you want you can simply download the PDF for Windows or Mac OS. So simply click on download. Now we're gonna have to select add-on and click on free download. Now here you're gonna have to choose the version and click on free download, and then after that, as you can see, we're gonna simply have to wait until this starts, and now we can simply open it, and basically you can start using it. So basically you can upload PDF files. As you can see here, you can add signatures, you can use the AI. So basically that's all you have to do. So I hope you found this video helpful. Thanks for watching.